What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm replacing the rear pads and rotors on my 2015 Mustang GT. Obviously, got to start off with breaking the lugs. And then I jacked the car up from the pumpkin. I might get yelled at for that, but I truly don't care. And obviously, don't forget your jack stands. Turns out Loctite won in this situation, and I had to ask for help in breaking the bolts that hold the caliper in.
Right in the camera.
I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah, typical car girl on Instagram.
Yeah.
Oh, brother, these guys stink.
They're pretty huge.
Look at that. I love that accent.
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, they're so big. Well, it'd be cool if you had the Rick's socket on there.
Is it not an 18?
Definitely feels like an 18 to me.
Well, it might be. I don't have an 18 in my sockets.
Oh, well, lucky for you, I do. Good job.
Well, I mean, it was left, just facing the wrong direction. Why are these so tight? Little extra step, I painted mine black because I didn't like the gray. I don't know the technical term, so don't come at me for this. There are two parts to the caliper. So there's the outer bracket and then the inner piece that has your piston, and then it wraps around and holds both your brake pads in. They bolt together. So there's two bolts on the backside in two rubber grommets that you undo, and then you can take that piece off, and that's how you compress the piston and put the new pads in. This is also where I had some troubles, so compressing the piston in the caliper. Brendan came over and used vice grips, put it in the little slots, and you have to twist as you turn in. When I did the ones on the Fusion, I used a C-clamp and it worked well. I didn't attempt it on the Mustang, so it's a possibility to try that. And then you'll put your brake pads in and put the inner piece around, and then you'll bolt everything back up so that it's all tight and secure.
All right, there you go. Put it right together. Mold her down. You feel it bottom out, go. There you go.
Hand me my wheels, sir.
What's that? Go check everything.
Just like me. Heavy. Oh! There's so many weights in this wheel. Did you see that? Ow. It's just my hand. There you go. Did you really think I was going to end this video without doing a startup for you guys?